Hi, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and today is craft show setup day because tomorrow is my first craft show of the season. So I'm going to take you along to show you what it's like to set up basically a mobile boutique, and we're going to transform a blank space into Wonderland's storefront. I'm not glammed up because I'm definitely going to be cussing, sweating, my hair's going to be a mess, definitely going to be stressed out. It's just part of the process. So I'm taking you along so you can see what it's like to go from a blank space to a full storefront basically, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you here real soon. I'm exhausted. We're gonna go get some tacos and maybe a margarita. I think that probably sounds like a good plan. So tomorrow for official setup, I will show more. I'll show the real deal and how it looks. I gotta get here a little early. Like I said, I forgot stuff. Stupid me, but that happens. I've had my little sister here helping. She's helping as much as she can. So until tomorrow, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique. Thanks. Bye.
Please
oh,
finish up everything.
Gotta go. Okay, Craft Show 1 of the 2019 season is now done, over with, in the books. When we started this on Friday, it was warm and sunny. We were running around in t-shirts, and today it is cold, 29 degrees, and I'm freezing. Now, weather absolutely affects a craft show and the amount of people who come out and shop. So yesterday was kind of a middle of the road day. We did have some rain, but we ended up having a really good spring show, so I was super excited for that. If you are not following Facebook or Instagram, make sure you do, so you can find out which craft show we will be at next, and also you can get in as far as the giveaways and sales and connect with the crafter community. If you enjoyed this video and seeing how things go from start to finish to set up that mobile boutique, please give me a big thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. And again, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye.